Today, I'm going to try something just a little different for today's video. I know some of you have been enjoying my 60-second meditation clips that I've done. And so I thought that I would do one just a little bit longer, maybe like 5 to 7 minutes. And if you enjoy that, just be sure and let me know in the comments, and I'll try and intersperse a few more of these in with the other kinds of videos that I like to do about intentional living, slow living, positivity, that type of thing in the future. So I hope you enjoy this and find it helpful. Go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. You can sit upright, letting your spine grow long, but allow yourself to be relaxed. Relax your belly, let your shoulders fall away from your ears. Maybe your hands rest gently in your lap or perhaps on your knees if you're sitting cross-legged. Now close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up your lungs completely. Slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension you might be feeling. Go ahead and repeat this deep breathing like this for just a couple breaths, with the intention of allowing your body to simply settle. Now let's go ahead and shift your focus to your body and notice the points of contact between your body and the surface of where you're sitting. Feel the support. And then starting from the top of your head, gently begin to scan your attention down your body, observing any areas where you might feel some tension. And without trying to change anything at this point, just acknowledge these sensations. And then as you begin to breathe in, go ahead and imagine that you are breathing in tiny little bubbles of peace. And you are sending these little peace bubbles everywhere in your body, all the way from the crown of your head down to your fingertips and the tips of your toes. And if you remember any areas where you noticed some tension, maybe you send some extra peace bubbles there. Perhaps even envisioning that these peace bubbles have the ability to break up and disperse that tension and allow it to simply begin to fade away. As you continue to breathe this way, imagine that your body begins to relax deeply into a sense of peace. With each exhale, let your body feel just a little bit lighter. Now perhaps picture yourself in a place where you can feel completely comfortable and relaxed. Maybe this is at a beach or a forest, or perhaps even maybe in your favorite chair in a cozy room. Notice what you see about this location. Any sounds, what you smell, the colors. Allow yourself now to be surrounded by a gentle, warm light. A light that brings a sense of calm and serenity as it envelopes you, filling you with an even deeper sense of peace. And silently repeat the following affirmations to yourself to allow yourself to fully embody this feeling that you have. I am calm and centered. I release all stress and tension from my body. I am surrounded by peace. I am in control of my own thoughts and emotions. Now at this point, go ahead and visualize any remaining stress or worries that you may be harboring. Visualize them as dark clouds that are within your body, wherever they may reside. And with each breath out, imagine that these clouds slowly drift away, just dissipating into the air. Feel weight lifting from your shoulders, allowing you to feel even lighter, and your mind to become more clear and open. Now bring your awareness back to your present surroundings. Notice the surface beneath you. Feel the air around you. And take a few more deep, full breaths. Then whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes and just take a few moments to notice how you feel, knowing that you can carry this sense of calm and clarity with you throughout the rest of your day.